English check future to be, I will be.
budu.
Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to time travel into Czech future tense with me? Strap in, you future champion. Today you'll laugh, repeat, and nail the Czech future of to be so well that your calendar will give you a high five. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form smoothly and confidently. Let's line them up like a winning team. I will be.
budu.
You, singular, will be.
Budeš.
He will be.
Bude.
She will be.
Ona bude.
It will be.
Bude.
We will be.
Budeme.
You, plural, formal, will be.
Budete.
They will be.
Oni budou.
Mini dialogue. Tomorrow's plan. Listen to this tiny scene and catch the future forms. Then we'll repeat together. Coach, at 7, we will be ready.
Budeme.
Pripraveni. You, and I will be there.
Budu.
Tam. Coach, great. You, SG, will be early.
Budeš.
Bree. Friend, he will be on time.
Bude.
VCAs. Captain, she will be on the call.
Ona bude.
Na hovoru. Weather app, it will be sunny.
Bude.
Slunečna. Guide, you, place, will be at the gate at 9.
Budete.
You brani v de vet. Announcer, they will be champions.
Oni budou.
Sampioni. Pronunciation drill. Echo me with rhythm, speak clearly, smile slightly, and keep it punchy. Me.
Budu.
You.
Budu.
Me.
Budeš.
You.
Budeš.
Me.
Bude.
You.
Bude.
Me.
Ona bude.
You.
Ona bude.
Me.
Budeme.
You.
Budeme.
Me.
Budete.
You.
Budete.
Me.
Oni budou.
You.
Oni budou.
Quick forms with jokes. Let's make them memorable with tiny jokes. Laugh equals remember. I will be on time, future me is punctual.
Budu.
VCAs. You, SG, will be awesome, your coffee agrees.
Budeš.
Savli, skavella. He will be fine, the crystal ball says.
Bude.
V pahode. She will be ready, cape included.
Ona bude.
Pripravina. It will be easy, like a Sunday nap.
Bude.
To snadne. We will be there, squad goals.
Budeme.
Tam. You, place, will be legends, the banner already says it.
Budete.
Legendy. They will be early, shocker.
Oni budou.
Bree. Culture tip. Tiny culture gem to sound natural. You'll often hear the hopeful Czech phrase.
Bude líp.
It will be better. Notice the same future form.
Bude.
Keep that optimism in your pocket. Speed quiz. Answer out loud. I'll pause for you. Q. English to Czech. I will be. A.
Budu.
Q. You, SG, will be. A.
Budeš.
Q. He will be. A.
Bude.
Q. She will be. A.
Ona bude.
Q. It will be. A.
Bude.
Q. We will be. A.
Budeme.
Q. You, place, will be. A.
Budete.
Q. They will be. A.
Oni budou.
Your final challenge. Build 2 quick future sentences about your day. I'll give prompts. Prompt 1. At 8 a.m., I will be at the gym. Say it with.
Budu.
Prompt 2. At lunch, we will be outside. Use.
Budeme.
Bonus. Turn to your friend and say, you will be ready. Try.
Budeš.
Then tell the group, you will be ready, with.
Budete.
Victory lap. They will be happy, it will be easy, she will be on time, he will be there. Hit them.
Oni budou.
Stasny.
Bude.
To snadne.
Ona bude.
VCAs.
Bude.
Tam. Wrap up. You did great, future you is proud. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Budu. Budeš. Bude. Ona bude. Budeme. Budete.
And.
Oni budou.
In short daily bursts. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.